to being a man is very difficult in this world, especially in Africa, because the governments of Africa, they support women more than men. But in Europe, they have 50-50. You know that in Europe, if a man is working and a woman is working, they can put their money and buy groceries 50-50. Even the man have got a problem, he can go to police and report that my wife is abusing me. That woman, she can be arrested in Europe. You can being arrested for being abusing a man. But in Africa, when you go to police as a man and say my wife is abusing me, they start laughing at you. So guys, men, are not in good, they are not safe in this world, men, because if you want help as a man, they don't help you. If you look at those people who are at lifts, maybe they are at lifts, you know that other men nowadays, they can wear a skirt and a wig, a bra, something as a man, because when he wants help, he knows that women, they get help more than men. When he want lift, a man can have a lift, guys, wearing skirt, because he knows that when he wear trousers, those people, they can't give him lift. Those women, guys, they can get and a man can sometimes, guys, can stand up and behind that, you understand it? So sometimes being a man, guys, it's very difficult. We don't want to lie. Even you want help, even other men, they don't help you as a man, they don't feel for you. You know that another man can go and help a woman. Yes, women, we are very important in this world, but even men, guys, are human beings. You know that sometimes, especially in Africa, men, we don't take serious to men. When it comes to men, guys, most of the men, they are being abused in marriages nowadays. They are being abused, most of them, than women, you understand? But they don't take it serious. And when you go to police and they start, maybe you build that house together, but that woman is being abusing you, what everything, you understand? And you don't have power as a man, and even to report as a man, because they don't take serious. They always support women. When a woman go to police and say something, being abused, what, they can act. But when it comes to men, they don't act. But in Europe, it's 50-50. Even a man, guys, Europe have got rights. If a man can say something that I am being abused with my woman, they take it serious in Europe, because in Europe it's 50-50. It's not about maybe it's a woman or a man in Europe. Even to support a child, it's 50-50.